Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to special surgery appendicitis. Before going to explanation, if you want to watch the same lecture in Urdu Hindi, I already upload the same lecture in Urdu Hindi on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. But if you want to watch in English language, then this video is for you. Now in appendicitis series, we will make up to 5 to 6 videos in which we in detail study about appendicitis definition, position of appendix, clinical feature, causes, investigation, management. But in today's video we will study definition of appendicitis and position of appendix. First we start from definition of appendicitis. What is appendicitis? How we define appendicitis? Inflammation of appendix is called appendicitis. This is the definition of appendicitis. Now come to the position of appendix. Position of appendix is basically, appendix mainly have two parts. Number one, base of appendix. Number two, tip of appendix. The base of appendix is present on the meeting point of tinea coli. In cecum, this is a cecum. In cecum there is tinea coli. What is tinea coli? Longitudinal muscle of colon make three thin bundle called tinea coli. Longitudinal muscle of colon make three thin bundle called tinea coli. Now here I show three tinea coli. This red number 1, 2, 3. Each tinea coli is made of three thin bundle of longitudinal muscle. And here there are three tinea coli on the meeting point of three tinea coli of cecum, where three tinea coli of cecum meet and meeting point, there is the base of appendix present, and the tip of appendix position is variable. Now the base of appendix, position of appendix, the base of appendix always be present on the meeting point of three tinea coli of cecum, and tip of appendix is free and its position is not fixed. Mean base of appendix position is always fixed and it is present on the three tinea coli meeting point of cecum, but tip of appendix is free and its position is not fixed. Now appendix has two parts: base of appendix and tip. Its base is always fixed. Its base is always fixed and its tip is always free. Its base is located on the meeting of three tinea coli of cecum. Always its base is located on meeting of three tinea coli of cecum always, and its tip location is different. Its tip location is different and its base location is always fixed. Now tip location of appendix, we easily remember the tip location of appendix by comparing the tip of appendix with cecum and ileum and pelvis. We easily remember the sixth position of tip of appendix by relating the tip of appendix with three structure. Number one, cecum. Number two, pelvis. Number three, ileum. Now this is the base of appendix, which is always fixed on the meeting point of three tinea coli. Now tip. Its tip position, if we compare with the cecum, there are three position of tip when compared to cecum. Number one, if tip of appendix is present behind the cecum, this position of tip of appendix is called retrocecal, mean behind the cecal. Retro mean behind. If tip of appendix is parallel to cecum. This is cecum, same, the tip of appendix is parallel to cecum. This is called paracecal. If the tip of appendix is below the cecum, this is called subcecal. Now come to the second structure, mean compare with pelvis. If the tip of appendix is toward pelvis, this tip position is called pelvic. Now come to the third structure, ilium. If the tip of appendix is present behind the ilium, it is called post-ilial. If the tip of appendix is present prior to ilium, mean present prior to ilium, this is called pre-ilial. Mean post-ilial mean behind the ilium, pre-ilial mean before the ilium. If the tip of appendix is present before the ilium, this is called pre-ilial, and tip of appendix is present behind the ilium, it is called post-ilial. This is post-ilial behind the appendix, and this is pre-ilial before. This is post-ilial behind the ilium, and this is pre-ilial before the ilium. This is the position of tip of appendix, which may be on which may be one of six position. Number one, if we compare with the cecum, retrocecal, paracecal, subcecal. If compared with the if relate with the pelvis, pelvic. If relate with the ilium, pre-ilial, post-ilial. Now, first we study the different position of tip of appendix is compared with, relate with three structures, cecum, pelvis and ilium. By this we simply remember the name of six position of appendix. Now, second way is we study that position of tip of appendix is compared with clock position. Pelvic is at 5 o'clock. The pelvic tip position is at 5 o'clock as compared with the clock. Subcecal tip position is at 6 o'clock. Paracecal tip position is at 10 o'clock. Retrocecal position at 11 o'clock. And post-ilial position at 1 or 2 o'clock. And pre-ilial tip position is at 3 o'clock. This is the tip position of appendix by clock method. Mean when we relate it with clock. The third is percentage of occurrence of tip of appendix position. In most of the cases, when a patient develop appendix, when we go for surgery, when we see that the base of appendix is always fixed. When we see the tip of appendix, mostly it is present retrocecal. Mean the percentage of occurrence of retrocecal is more. Now retrocecal occurrence percentage is 64%. The most common is retrocecal by percentage. The second most common is pelvic, which is 32%, and the third most occurrence percentage, the most common tip position of appendix is paracecal, which is 2%, then subcecal 1.5%, then pre-ilial 1%, and then post-ilial, which is 0.5%. Now we studied the position of tip of appendix by three methods. Number one, to remember the name, we relate with the three structures, cecum, pelvis and ilium. Number two, we also study the tip position of appendix by relate with the clock position. The third, we study the occurrence percentage of tip position of appendix. Now today we studied appendicitis definition and position of appendix. In next video, we will study causes, clinical feature, investigation, and in next 4 to 5 videos, we complete the appendicitis whole topic. Now today our topic is complete, and today our video is complete, in which we studied the definition and position of appendix. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.